Alright, up for review today is this USB camera module. Got this off of Amazon. Here is the label. It's a GEMSTONE 5 megapixel USB camera, Windows, Linux, Mac, whatever. I thought this was going to be better than what it was. I've actually tested it. It looks like there's another brand there called ELP. Basic unboxing, nothing crazy. Here's the module. ELP is the brand. 5 volts, of course, because it's USB. Here's the module. It has a cap on it. This is like a 180-degree lens, fisheye. Now, I thought this was going to be good, but I've quickly realized that it doesn't seem like it's 5 megapixel. It's got a lot of artifacting on the image, and I'm pretty sure this comes from a dated product. This is kind of a giveaway. I've seen these before when I was overseas in other countries. I think this was like a makeshift earlier CCTV for like storefronts and stuff. They would hook up that to like a Windows-based DVR system, and it's just not that good. I'm going to plug it up to this computer and show what the image looks like. Switch cameras real quick. Alright, so here we go. Here's the image. I'm going to let you see here. Maybe kind of hard to get on camera here, but let's zoom in a little bit. You'll see the ISO is so high that there's like a lot of artifacting on here. It may even look better on camera than what it really is. So wherever this is at, it's going to have to be in a well-lit place. And I would say the not aspect ratio, but the viewing angle is kind of particular too. But yeah, that's what you get. So figured I would do a short little review, save somebody the trouble here.